Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another trading education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So, if that's something that you've been looking to do, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, thank you guys so much for spending time with me. We experienced a lot of growth on the channel in 2024, and I really just want to keep that energy going. If you guys are new here, get comfortable, explore some of the playlists that I have because I do my best to keep the content as organized as possible so that it's easy for you to navigate, especially as a new trader. You can find exactly what you are looking for. Now, in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys a sell limit strategy, which is a type of pending order strategy that you can use. This will help you get your time back because you don't have to actively be on the charts trading. Now, a lot of people that I've talked to who are new to trading or who have been considering it, they feel like they don't have time for it or that they have to be on the charts all day long, which is really not true. And that's where pending orders come into play. A pending order is an order that is set at a future date or price for when the market actually returns to that area. So let's just say we were doing our analysis right now. If we saw an opportunity, we could set our trade to trigger once the market actually reached that price. We can also set our take profit and stop loss so that even if we were sleeping, if we were at work, if we were with our kids, or just out with friends, the trade would still trigger as long as the market reached that price. Now, I do have two other videos that I've already done. I've done the sell stop strategy and I've also done the buy stop strategy. But today we're going to be focused on the limit order strategy. Now, a sell limit is a type of order which means that the market, although it may be selling, it is going to retrace back to a higher place first. Now, what you need to understand is that the market is always going to be going up and down and up and down and up and down and up. And it's always going to be creating these M's and W's in the market. Now, sometimes the market will just continue the way that it's going. We can see, for example, the market started to buy here and then it just continued to push up. There was not a lot of retracement, although we did have these few candles here. But sometimes, as you can see, before the market, let's look here, before the market actually takes off, it will go down and it will come back to the same place multiple times. Now, when it comes to a sell limit, this means that although the market may want to sell first, it's going to go up and then it's going to come back down. And that's extremely important to note and remember. So we're going to go to this place in the chart right here because this looks like a really good swing high. Now, swing high is the highest point in the chart that you can currently see. And if we just look, right, you don't need to be an expert to see this. We can see that the market had been buying for some time and it actually reached a high, right? It actually reached the high. So that's going to be our swing high. Now, we could enter for a sell, right now, or we could wait. So let's just go ahead and go to the next candle, right? Now we can see that the market, although it did start to sell, it hit a previous support and then it came back up to that high again. And I just want you guys to pay attention to how many times the market actually does revisit that area because that would be the place that you would want to set your sell limit at. Again, a sell limit is just, yes, the market is going to go down. However, it's going to go back up before it goes down. So if we notice that this was our swing high, that would be a great place to set a sell limit. Now you could, of course, enter for market execution and you could take your chances, but setting a limit order not only takes some of the stress off of you because the market has a high chance at retracing, but it does allow you to capitalize on the movement even if you're not in the market at that time. So let's just say we set our sell limit there, right? We can already see that the sell limit would have been triggered in about 30 minutes. Now, if you're new to trading, again, the market is always going to be going up and down. So you could have entered for a sell and then you would have said, okay, the market is selling. And then as soon as we would have gotten this blue candle, you would have probably panicked because you're like, oh no, the market is going back up. But that's what is expected to do, which is why a sell limit will really come in handy. So after you set your sell limit order, which should be the market is going up before it comes down, you do just want to use these previous lows as your potential take profits. As you can see, I just have a few horizontal lines on my chart. And how I got these was I clicked the line tools, I selected horizontal line, and then I just placed them at previous lows. When you are selling, the market is usually trying to revisit new lows or to create lower lows, which confirms the selling trend overall, versus when you are in a buying market, the market is trying to create new highs. So we have our sell limit here, right? And let's just put our text there so that we can know our sell limit would have been at our swing high. And then we have some potential TPs here. And I'm just going to notate it just so that we are on the same page. And all of these lows are going to be our TPs, right? So we're going to say potential TP. I always encourage everybody to do their own analysis instead of just taking signals from other people. Signals are cool, but when you start to lose and you don't know what's going on, that's really not cool. And that's a part of the reason why I make these videos because I want people to feel comfortable and confident taking their own trades. Remember, this is to create independent and profitable traders, not a bunch of copy traders. So here we go. We have our sell limit and we have our potential TPs. And I know you guys are probably curious as to where would you set your stop loss if you are using a sell limit? And your stop loss would just be somewhere above a previous high. So let's just go ahead and we're going to use this as our stop loss, right? The top line is going to be our stop loss, and I'll just turn it red just so that we can distinguish it from everything else. So we're going to go ahead and enter this trade for a sell. I'll take it down to the second TP, and I'm going to set my stop loss right at that red line. And you always just want to make sure that your losses are less than what you are going to win. So this is about a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And we can see, right, that the sell limit was hit multiple times. TP1 was hit, TP2 was hit, right? And we're going to see if TP3 will be hit. TP3 was also hit, and TP4 was hit. Congratulations, trader, right? We made our profit. And if this is, of course, on the demo on TradingView. So as we can see demonstrated here, if you know that the market has hit a swing high and you know that you are getting other indications that the market may sell, sometimes it's not best to just jump right in. You do just want to take a minute and figure out, okay, where can I set this pending order if I know the market has a potential to retrace, right? And it tends to retrace a lot. So if this video was helpful, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel so that you can see more content like this. I have noticed that I have so many viewers, but more than half of my viewers are not subscribed. So don't be that guy. Don't let that be you. Be supportive, especially if you are learning. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop some sevens in the chat. And if you have any questions, you can drop them down below as well. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Make sure you check out my other order type videos, and I'll see you guys next time.